Yeah, we're here to see Jackson pick up our new Brinkley.
Today, we're officially becoming RV owners. We're signing for our Brinkley G3970 and then immediately taking it on its very first tow. Between learning the Catskills, dialing in truck settings, battling rain, and discovering some unexpected chucking, this turned into a much bigger adventure than we expected. Before we signed the paperwork and took delivery, we took a deep dive into our Brinkley, learning how all the systems worked, pushing all the buttons, opening the compartments, and asking plenty of questions. If you'd like to see the full walkthrough, we'll link that video in the description below.
I just lifted all those up, so then now when we lift the front up, it's not gonna put so much pressure back there.
Okay.
So then now we can go up in the front.
So back her up.
Yes, sir. Want to put this down. Once you're hooked up, you may not be able to shut that. Oh, I'm gonna take a look. All right, now start coming back this way. Straighten it out. A little bit more, one more, all right. I'm gonna lower it down. I think we're perfect. So you have about 1.5 inches of a cone on there, kind of slides back just to where it should go. You're at 7, and you want at least 5.5. 5 around 5.5, so that's perfect. Good there. 7, same thing. 37. You still have 31.
So we're done here for now?
Yeah, I can walk you up for your paperwork.
I'm ready. It's a long time coming.
Alrighty.
Hey, brother.
This is the office everybody cringes to walk in.
No, I'm ready.
Alrighty, come on. Title application. There's a box for each of you. Sign that signature of owner 1 line. Keys, okay. 2 sets. Comes with roadside for the first year, and then this QR code takes you to brinkley.com/OH for owner's hub. Your unit, up at the top, purchase price. Sign each of these. One of them you're gonna take home. So warranty coming from Brinkley, 1 year on components that are installed. Just bring it back to us. You know, we'll take care of you like you're part of the family. We'll bill them directly. It won't cost you a dime or anything like that. That brings us to our Warranty Forever program. 3-way pays the premium on, and then we register it in your name and gift it to you. It is a named component policy. ACs are covered for the life that you own the camper and participate in this. Kitchen center components, including stove, oven, microwave, and refrigerator, are covered. Your LP systems, including furnace and water heater. But suspension components, brake components, water system components, it's just got to be something that fails mechanically on this list to be covered. So I just slipped that in here with my card stapled to it. That's it.
So go ahead and pull straight forward, and whenever you get to that turn, I'm gonna have you back up straight. All right, go ahead and start turning a little bit. All right. Keep going, keep going. All right, I'm gonna have you stop.
We just hooked up for the first time, so we're going to drive up to the closest Catskills and try to get an accurate unloaded weight.
This is nerve-wracking. How do you feel? Are you nervous?
Yeah, I'm a little nervous.
We're pulling for the first time. The mirror's good.
I'm working on the mirrors, and that's going to be an
ongoing
process. Now, I don't know if I should try to go out here or try to go out over there. That looks a little...
That has the correct arrow.
Yeah, I know it does, but it also is
a dip.
Wicked right and then left turn.
Should I take that down?
Yeah, we can get rid of that.
Okay. I don't know how to turn it off, but I'll just hold it. It's the backup camera. Oh, our first turn. Go the wide lane. Oh, this is frightening.
I need to turn that gain down, I think.
Okay, I decided to turn back on. I don't know how to keep that off. If I just unplug it? That's a yes.
The exhaust brake works overtime. when it's in tow haul mode. I mean, you definitely know it's there. It chucks a little bit. This would be a good test on the brake. Ooh.
Oh gosh.
I think I need to turn that gain down a little bit. The technician there said start at 5, mid-range, and see how it feels as you're driving, and then make adjustments from there. So we left out at 5. I have adjusted now down to 3.5 to see how that feels, and I'm just going to kind of play with it on this drive. We're going about 10 miles up the road on a 4-lane with a lot of traffic lights. So this is the first time that Bell has been loaded down like this. The thing I did notice is, you know, I'm going between 40 and 55 mile an hour, and just a slight tap or depression on the brake pedal, and sometimes it just feels like it's digging into the asphalt. So I'm assuming that's what it's supposed to be like. Having never done this, I don't know. Between the engine braking and the trailer brake, the stopping power is something that I've just never experienced before. There's no swaying back and forth. I don't feel any swaying. I am feeling a lot of chucking. After we do this weigh-in, on our way back, I'm actually going to get on the interstate, see what the chucking feels like then, and see what difference in how it sways.
Oh man, maybe this was a bad idea. Don't love this.
All right, here we're coming up on a light. I'm going to hit the brakes. And once again, it's like she just grabs the asphalt.
I don't want to tell you this now,
But
it does say that the Catskills might be temporarily closed.
I really want to keep an eye on this wall over here.
Oh geez.
Right there. Truck entry. Woo, boy, that gets close. When it dipped sideways, turning right there, it came down and got real close to the bed rail. Catskills. I want to pull off to the side first.
We just downloaded the Catskill app. It said to put the front steering axles on platform 1. It said to put the rear axles of the truck on platform 2, and then the axles of the fifth wheel on platform 3. So we are very
Headed to the platform.
Yeah, I'm very intimidated with all these trucks, like real truck drivers.
People that know what they're doing.
So I downloaded the app, but I'm still not entirely confident how it works. So
Here we go.
here we go. A lot of real truck drivers here. So should I get out while you...
Yeah.
Oh. Very excited for the radio. My assumption is that's platform 1, this might be platform 2, and that's platform 3. So come forward. We've got our radio. Keep going.
Alright, we're going to get just above that yellow line there and put them on the front platform.
All right, stop. Got the front ones on platform 1, rear on 2, last on 3. We can pull forward a hair if you want, but you're in the platform. Yeah, pull forward a little. It's just not centered. Yeah, I think we're good right there. Weigh and pay with your smartphone. Let's do that. I don't think I'm supposed to be out of my vehicle. Should I push the button for assistance?
Maybe, unless you know how to do it from the
I don't know how to do it.
Okay, yeah, push it and ask them.
I'm getting back in because I'm scared that I'm doing something wrong.
I'm trying to wave this thing and don't know what I'm doing.
Do we have a what?
I'm sorry, say that again. I'm at the scale.
Did she give up on us? The people here couldn't help us. The lady said she didn't know how it worked, even though she's the scale helper button lady. Essentially, we're getting off the scale, driving around, and then going in the app and saying, weigh my truck, and then driving on after it gives the okie dokie. This is round 3 through the scale. Third time's
round 3.
Third time is a charm.
We'll see. We'll see if third time's a charm.
I can get in the app and press the weigh my truck button while we're off the scale, and then we'll get on the scale. So here we go. Let me get on the app. All right, so that was the trick. Do you think these truckers are laughing at us because we've looped this like
Well, they're
5
probably
times?
asleep.
I hope they are, because we've looped this 5 times.
Go over this thing over here where it tilts. I'm gonna need you to keep an eye on.
The side to side.
Yeah, when it does
Just-
this. See what I'm talking about? When
Yeah,
we're
it
gonna be
is.
off camber right here.
Yeah.
So I'm worried that it may hit on this side
Okay,
over
I see.
here.
Just go wide and slow. It looks like still 7 inches, maybe 6. No.
Nope. Nope.
No. I mean, you're sorry. You're still good. I'm sorry. You're good. I meant no. It's not doing it.
It did it when I turned here.
Oh, I see a little further back. It did a. I mean, it does look scary, but it's doing
And
what
then
it's supposed to be doing.
it may do it when we turn left here too. So am I good on my left driver's
All
side?
good.
Okay. That was what I was worried about.
It looks scary, but
It's just gonna take some time to try and get used to it, you know.
our steer axle was 5,300 pounds. Our drive axle was 8,080. So do you add those together to get our truck total? How much our truck weighs?
I don't know.
This is our first time on the highway. Still feels like,
Chucky.
oh yeah, that's jerky. Okay, that's pretty bouncy.
Which I don't know. There may be a break-in period. You tell me in the comments. Is there a break-in period with the hitch? All right, here we're going over a bridge. Let's see how she feels.
Oh, very jerky. Yeah, that's not gonna be fun on a long ride.
The gooseneck is better for that. For the chucking that we're feeling. That the gooseneck would be a lot less than a conventional fifth wheel hitch. But again, this is my first time pulling something this big and heavy. But we are experiencing a lot of chucking with it. And maybe that's normal. Maybe it's just something I have to get used to, but I certainly would like to get other people's opinions. What I'm not feeling on the interstate is any sway movement when either I get passed by or I pass by an 18-wheeler.
So right now we're headed back to Three-Way Campers. We're gonna leave the trailer there. Her name is Liberty.
And the truck is Bell.
Get it?
So the rig is
Liberty Bell. So we're gonna leave Liberty at Three-Way Campers. Today is Saturday. This whole weekend we're gonna be driving back and forth to Three-Way Campers to load her with everything we have left in the house. We'll close on the house on Tuesday and then go down to Three-Way Campers, pick her up, and then we'll be full-time RVers. And now it's raining again. It was sunny, now it's pouring rain. We just wanted to get the full spectrum of elements. I think you're good to get over one more. I don't really know how to look other than looking in that little mirror on the side. Yeah, so when you were changing lanes, I was just looking at that bottom towing one. Could you not see?
Well, the way it's angled for me,
Yeah, you're seeing the lines?
I'm seeing the lines.
Okay. Well, I guess I could have done this too, but I can't see.
Well, what about the big rear? Or was that different?
No. Oh. Okay.
That's what I'm looking at.
I could have done the big mirror. Best of luck.
Now's as good a time as any.
Are you trying to line up all the way against the building?
Go inside the building over there. Keep an eye on the cap and the hitch. I'm on the grass back there.
You're not on the grass yet, but you're aimed for the grass for sure. I don't know anything about backing up, but I do feel like you need to cut it harder to make it turn. You're about 8 feet from hitting the curb. Looks like you're doing great now. I feel like you're going at a good angle. I think keep going exactly as you are, and then I'll tell you when to straighten up. Keep coming back, you're good. Go straight back. Perfect. Keep going, and stop.
About to chuck it on this thing. I mean, it was bad. I mean, they talk about a brake.
Yeah, you got like 1,000 mile brake in.
I was going to ask you about that.
But I mean, it was chucked here, but you got tons of space here. It looks really good. You got that Gen Y offset, man, which gives you a ton of space. You've really got a wonderful setup, man.
Well, thank you.
I mean, obviously you got to have this size of a truck for a G, but having the Gen Y, if I had this setup, this is exactly what I'd have. I think it's going to tow the best and it's going to give you the most space. So
Okay.
you did that excellent. You've got tons of room like right there. You're not close at all. So that's
We had one little thing where I got just a little bit antsy when we returned into the gas station.
yeah.
Close enough where I hit the brakes and went, oh.
Yeah, yeah, that's the only thing that you got to kind of be mindful of, which again, you've got really good space. That's why, you know, we want to be at least 5.5 or more, which you have plenty. You have more
I
than
had
that.
7
Yeah,
is what he
you've got
measured.
7 is my, like that's perfect, man.
Okay.
That's great. So what I would do, I'd come in here and drop my tailgate. That's one of the benefits, man, of that offset. Normally, if you don't have this offset, man, you're not going to have this kind of space that you have. I just love being able to have this amount of space back here to maneuver and not feel like I'm about to be pinned up against the back end.
Yeah. Is it not auto hitch, auto retract?
Yeah, you can just push front right now, and that's going to bring your front jacks down. And they'll come down independently from each other. So usually what it will do to kind of get its bearings will drop down in the front first. So you did that, disconnect, pull your truck out of the way, then hit auto level.
Success.
Perfect.